What will you do if you saw your friend being bullied? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable judges, and my dear friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adi Sastra Fredavita, and I'm from SMP Negeri 1 Mamuju. Today, I want to talk about something serious that happens around us almost every day: bullying. Bullying is not only about hitting or pushing. It can also be done with words, action, and even through social media. Sometimes people make fun of others because of their looks, background, or the way they speak. But no one deserves to be treated that way. When someone is bullied, they will feel lonely and helpless. Many people lose their confidence, and some even stop coming to school. That's why we must stay silent when we see it happen. Silence means ugly, but when we speak up, we show that we care. We can speak up by comforting a friend, telling a teacher, or reminding others that bullying is wrong. Even a small act of courage can make a big difference. Remember, being kind doesn't make you weak, it makes you strong. True strength is not about hurting others, but about helping them. Dear teachers and friends, our school should be a place where everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. A place where we can grow together, not teach each other down. That's why, let's make our school a place where everyone feels safe, respected, and expected. Together, we can stop bullying. So, my friend, whenever you see bullying, speak up, don't silence. Be kind.